How to use inspirational ideas to empower others. This video looks at some of the ways in which you can inspire other people. How can I help others to be empowered? How can I best share my wisdom and ideas? Inspiring others can help you stay inspired while at the same time helping in the empowerment of others. Help others. Leading by example. You can inspire people by simply living an inspired life. You don't have to flaunt your successes or try to get people to emulate you. People will naturally be inspired by simply observing you. Your successes will make others want to learn from you. Remember, people will be inspired by someone who is humble in his pursuits. You also have to be selfless. Remember, you should never do something just so as to inspire others. You have to find something that you actually enjoy doing. This will also ensure that you are happy whether or not you actually manage to inspire people. You are also more likely to be perseverant if at all you are doing something that you actually enjoy. If not, failure may easily discourage you. You should also be passionate about whatever you are doing. This is another way to ensure that you inspire others. In leading by example, you also have to learn how to be consistent. Follow the path that you have taken and this will inspire others. However, if you keep jumping from one side to another, people may lose their confidence in you. You can illustrate this through how you act or even the ideas that you share with others. Learn how to share. If you have the means, then share with as many people as possible. If you can be a motivational speaker, use this. Try and get good quorums and share your inspirational ideas. There are so many people who get inspired and end up changing their lives just by simply listening to someone. However, you need a big platform in order to share your ideas. You can do this even with small groups of people. Talk to people and let them learn from you. If you decide to really do this, commit your time and efforts and ensure that you reach as many people as possible. Keep aiming to reach even bigger groups of people. You can also get to inspire people by joining a noble cause. This can be another way you can help inspire and empower others. For instance, if you find a cause for helping poor people, you can offer them material support and also impact them morally. Share your ideas with them and inspire them to overcome the present situation. You never know, you may actually end up inspiring people who may one day be detrimental in changing the world. Mentorship. One way that you can help others to get inspired is through mentorship programs. If you excel in a certain area, you can help others learn the skills to help them excel. For instance, if you are an established writer, you can help other upcoming writers. Share ideas and let them learn from you. This can also be a learning experience for you. From video 8, you will learn that people managed to change history by sharing their ideas with others. They didn't keep them to themselves. Sharing your knowledge may make a big difference in someone else's life as well as yours. You may have to open up to other people. You don't just